back. If you're new to my channel, hey, I'm Tiny. Last video, I actually shared with you guys that I'm a big Nintendo nerd. I'm sure that's a thing. And I love little things and cute things. So in honor of that, today I want to show you how I made this speaker Bom-omb for Mario. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the mini speaker. I got this at the dollar store and I'm gonna take it out. See, it's round and perfect in shape. Here's where the battery goes, so it looks good to go. It doesn't have any defects or anything. I know that when you buy something for $1, you're kind of like, I don't know how good it is, so we're gonna see. Now I'm gonna take some of the Model Magic to create the little Bom-omb body parts. I'm using Model Magic for a couple of reasons. One is that I have it in hand, and two, it's pretty lightweight, so when I make the winder for the back, it's not gonna weigh it down. And also, it air dries, so I don't have to bake or do anything to it. It'll just sit and become a little Bom-omb on its own. So pretty much they're similar in size. I'm gonna roll them up into little balls. And the two that look more even are the ones that I'm gonna use for the boots. So, actually they all look pretty good. Great, so we're gonna take two of them and we're just gonna create a little indent so that the speaker can sit flat on it. You want this light part to be facing up because that's where we're gonna put the fuse, so when the batteries are on, you can actually see a little bit of the light through it. I think that'd be cool. And then you just sit your speaker on the little feet. And you can tell that it's already just sitting and standing on its own. Now for the last part, our little last circle, we're just gonna make it a little flat, and we have to make sure to maintain the round shape because this is where the wick is gonna sit on top, and it's like a little circular disc. All right, I think we're going somewhere. So before we put this to dry, I'm going to just poke a hole in the middle because this is where I'm going to stick that little wick I was talking about. And just make it like a little donut. Make sure that, again, it stays flat. So if you want to flip it around, that's perfect. And now for the winder, we're going to take some more of the Model Magic and we're just going to roll it out and do like a little pretzel shape. So with the foam sheet, I cut out two oval shapes for the eyes, and once the top part dried, I painted it blue. Now there's two popular colors, which is like that icy blue and the silver. So for this one, I'm going to do blue. I chose a pipe cleaner. I'm going to use it for the little fuse. Take permanent marker or black paint or whatever you have to just make some little details on the top. Cut it. And now we're ready to assemble. Right, so I'm going to use super glue to glue everything together. I'm going to start off with the feet. What he looks like put together. If you want to be a little bit extra, you can go ahead and put some gloss on the Model Magic part so that he looks nice and shiny. But yeah, that's what he looks once he's done. This is seriously so adorable. It looks just like it. I can't stop looking at it. I think this is what being in love is like. It's so cute. In fact, I was so excited, I made one in red. This one, in contrast, has the little silver details. The dollar store does carry one more color, which is blue. And at that time, I was like, no. I mean, it's like a less popular color, but now I'm kind of regretting it. So I think I'm gonna go back and maybe do a blue one too and just have the little triforce. I mean, they're $1, so, and they look just like it. They are so, so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.